Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Bumble account. You can delete your Bumble account from both your PC as well as your mobile device. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Bumble account from your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, you must have the Bumble app on your mobile device and also must be logged in to it. Then, once you open the Bumble app, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see your profile option. Tap on it. Then, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see a settings option. Tap on it and then scroll down. Right over here, you can see an option named Delete Account. So, tap on it. Then, you'll have to select a reason for deleting your account. And it will ask you whether you are sure you want to delete your account. So, once again tap delete account, and now you'll have to type delete in order to confirm. And once you've typed in delete, tap confirm, and there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Bumble account. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.